Stuff Zone peeps in the house. What do we have here today? Pedialite. Well, actually, this particular brand is Kinderlyte. It's for kids, but it's also for adults. Let me explain why. It's just great. It tastes great. I like it plain, but sometimes it's okay to have the flavors too. But this is super important if you're looking to be healthy. And well, you know, like, so they say to drink Gatorade instead of water if you want to hydrate yourself better. And it's because inside the Gatorade, which also has unfortunately harmful like high fructose and other stuff that's bad, but the Gatorade and this electrolyte or Pedialite, Kinderlyte, has electrolytes in it. Now, what is electrolytes? I don't really know. But I think it's kind of a mixture of salt and sugar, which is what your body needs. You know, and it needs liquid, but it also needs those other two things. I love this for a couple of reasons. First of all, it just makes you feel good. It's almost a replacement to caffeine, honestly. Like, it helps me to wake up in the morning. They say that you should have some salt in the morning while you drink water. So I was doing that for a while, but then I realized, I was like, nah, I feel like I'm too salty. Okay, so you can definitely overdo it. But this is good. This is good. Don't do the salt. You should have one of these next to your bed. And every morning, maybe go through half of it or go through a third. Sometimes I do the whole thing. I just like it. I like the taste. I like how it makes me feel. It makes the cells communicate better, I guess, because your cells need to be balanced. The electrolytes in your body, it needs to be on point, especially if you're doing cleansing, if you're doing fasting, if you're in the sauna, if you're doing enemas, if you're doing any kind of cleanse routine. It's a good idea to get this in your system, okay? And actually, I mean, I guess throughout the years I've always been hip to this, but I got sick with some kind of like a viral imbalance a couple months ago, and I was in the hospital feeling just strange, just feeling weird, like feeling completely off. And one of the things that helped me to kind of rebalance my body into finding homeostasis was this. So I highly recommend this, well, not Kinderlyte per se, but any kind of Pedialite, or yeah, I would say go for the source Pedialite. I also had, dang, I don't have it to show you right now, but because this is kind of expensive when you go to, you can get this at like Rite Aid or CVS or Walgreens or Walmart or Target, I'm sure. But this probably is like, I've seen it between like maybe $5 to $8 a bottle. But you can actually buy packets where they have it like in powder form, and then you add it to water. And that is good, but not quite as good. I prefer the bottle, it pre-blended, whatever ratio they have, you know, I figured out in this concoction is just right. So I know they give it to kids that have diarrhea, and, you know, babies that just, you know, they want to balance their system for all kinds of reasons, throwing up, you know, but it's good for adults too. So if you're feeling shaky, if you're feeling woozy, if you're, you know, doing any kind of like cleansing, it's a good idea to replenish your body, replenish your system with this stuff. So check it out. I'll leave a link in the description to the actual Pedialite, my favorite brand. Support the channel. If you buy through that link, I'll get like 50 cents. Much appreciated. If you're still watching, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and watch some more videos. I'll see you in the next ones.